Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha mentioned on one occasion about some people who would recite the Quran once or twice in a single night. Upon this, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha commented that their recitation was neither more nor equal to the Prophet's practice. She explained that even though she used to observe nightly prayers, tahajjud, along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he would recite Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al Imran, and Surah An-Nisa. The reason behind this choice was that these chapters contain verses instilling fear of Allah. When the Prophet ﷺ came across the verses that invoked awe and fear of Allah, he would seek refuge in Allah and make supplications. Conversely, when he encountered verses conveying good news, he would express his desire and inclination towards those aspects, and then he would continue with his prayer. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23773.